This video is about programming the CW01 in Arduino. Open a browser and go to github.com/XinaBox/CW01. Find the link in the description below. In the description you find the key features, and below that, the specifics about Arduino programming. In the section below, you find pin specifications for use in Arduino. The CW01 has a RGB LED, and each pin for each color are specified here. The XinaBox ecosystem is using I2C for communication, and you find the SDA and SCL pins specified here. You need to install Arduino first, and the link here gets you to this website. On this page, you find links to the version of Arduino matching your platform. Once you have installed Arduino, in order to install this ESP8266 Arduino core, you first start Arduino, so let's do that. This is not an Arduino course. Arduino has been downloaded more than 45 million times, so you will find better videos teaching you Arduino. Find Arduino Preferences. In the lower section you will find additional board managers URLs. Just leave the window open like that, and go back to the GitHub page. Then click on the link ESP8266 Arduino core, which is the microcontroller unit used on this CW01. It automatically jumps to the paragraph called Installations with Board Manager. There is a link highlighted ending with .json, which is the same as the highlighted link below. Highlight and copy the link. Paste the link into the field in Arduino and click OK. Back to the GitHub page, it now tells you to go to the menu item, Tools, and select Board Manager, and install the ESP8266 platform. Finally, don't forget to choose the board after installation. In Arduino we click, Tools, and then go down to Board Manager. It opens up this window, and might need to update a few things before it is ready. Once it is ready, go to the bottom and find ESP8266. Click Install. Once installed, click Close. Go back to Tools. Then find Board, and choose ESP8266 boards. Close to the top you will find XinaBox CW01, click on that board. Go back to Tools, and choose the port containing your IP01 or IP02. Let us try an example code. Go to the menu item File, and go down to Example. Then go to 01 Basics, and choose Blink. Once the example code is opened, click on the right arrow to compile and upload the code. You can see the IP01 flashing as the code is uploaded. You can now see the blue RGB LED is flashing. If you want to change that, then in the code write a line of code starting with #define, then copy the LED underscore built-in variable. Go back to the GitHub page, and here you can find pin 12 for RGB LED red. Finish the line of code with that pin number. Click Upload again, and once uploaded, you can now see the red LED flashing. If you want to continue further, then go back to GitHub and select the XinaBox repositories. In the search field enter Arduino. Any repository visible are Arduino libraries for the XinaBox ecosystem. Let us choose the library for SL01. Add -SL01 to the search criteria, and click on the link to the library. In order to install this library, click on the green code button and choose Download Zip. Return to Arduino, and choose the Sketch menu item. Go down to Include Library and choose Add Zip Library. Choose You downloaded zip file. Let us open an example. Choose the File menu item, and go down to Examples. Find the Arduino-SL01 and choose the SL01 Lux measurement example. Before uploading, open up the serial monitor and make sure the speed is set to 115/200. Then click Upload. Once the code is uploaded, you will see the result in the serial monitor. Thank you for listening. Good luck with your Arduino programming.